The animals don't get confused. Every animal perform according to the way God made it. You don't find a lion trying to be an anteater. You don't see a goldfish trying to be a piranha. You don't see none of that. You don't see a giraffe trying to be an elk. A rhinoceros trying to be an elephant. You see that confusion in man. Man is one of the dumbest things that God ever made. God told him plainly, he made the woman for the man. Man said, oh, no, you didn't. How did you men get so confused? How did you get so messed up? How did you get so deranged? The media took men, dressed them up in dresses, and made it comedy so you can accept it. Do you see the manipulation of Satan? The media took men, dressed them up like women, and you so busy falling out laughing, the devil fixes so that you won't even think of, you're laughing and agreeing with abomination. The devil dress it up, and they become comedians in abomination, and it becomes more acceptable to the world. And this is why the attitude is, there's nothing wrong with it, because you're busy out falling out laughing. Are you listening? The word of God come to break up that laugh and show you the reality of it and the severity of it.